nasi kau nyami nasi kau nyami nasi 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 kau nyami nasi 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 kau nyami enase enka onyame enase enka onyame. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Daniel Boateng. Today, this time we are going to look at how, as a beginner, you are going to strum this chord progression of this particular song, Enase Nka Onyame. It is an opening prayer song of the Church of Pentecost. So, as a beginner, how you are going to strum the guitar while singing this particular song. Let us begin. Okay, these are the chords we are going to play. We are going to play C major add 5, C major add 5. Bring the camera very close. C major add 5. I'll add this to my C major chord. So I'll play this. Okay, I'll play this chord. It's the same as C major, but I've added the 5th note. Okay, good. Then I will play F7th chord. F7th. Look at it very carefully. My first finger is on the root F. My 3rd finger is on the C. My 2nd finger is on E flat, and then my 4th finger is on A. So I have F7th. So this is F7th chord. I hope you have seen how my fingers have been placed. My first finger is on the root F. 2nd finger is on C. 3rd finger is on E flat, and then my 4th finger is on A. You play F7th. This is F7th. Good. I will also play diminished C here. Diminished C. So like this, my first finger is on the E. E is going to be my root here. My 2nd finger is on F sharp. My 3rd finger is on E flat, and then my 4th finger, that's my pinky finger, is on C. Okay, diminished C, diminished. Okay, good. Then I'll play D minor chord like this. I pick up my root, and then 2nd finger on E, 3rd finger on D. My 1st finger is on F, so I play D minor, and then we will also play F6. F6 can also be called G minor like this. Get your F major chord like this, then put your pinky finger on the D here, the 3rd fret on the B string like this, F6 or D minor. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. Now, looking at it, you can strum with your fingers, but if you want to make the sound very sharp, you can use a picker. You can use a picker to do the strumming. Okay, so like this, try and do the singing. The song is like na si ti so do re mi so do re mi so do ti la so fa mi re so do fa mi re do. That's how the song is like. So I'm trying to play with the melody. You hear some of the melody in the strumming. So first do the strumming like this. Let's C major add 5. Okay, we are doing downstroke. All right. Then you pick, you remove your forefinger and then you play the C major. So then you go to G. Let's do it again. Na sinka unyame. Let's do it again. Na sinka unyame. Then we go and I see. Okay, and I see. So I have to omit the. I have to play G diminished here, but I have omitted it. Okay, so and I see F7. Na see and I see na see. Just follow what I am doing, all right? Follow what I am doing. So na C diminished. Na C, you meet it at F7. Na C F6. Na C D minor. Na C major. Ka then G major. Oh nyam, then back to it. As I've been telling you always, invest your time on your guitar. Listen 2, 3 or 4 times before you pick up your guitar to play. Let me take it again. C major, add 5 here. Na si ka, then G major. Nyami. Na si ka, nyami. Na si. Nasi, kau nyami. Nasi, kau. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button and then check the notification for more beginner lessons like this. On this note, we end here with today's lesson. Thank you.